Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. We're not going to do a whole lot of crazy stuff today. We're going to try to get this jump started. It's got a broken battery cable. Battery likes to die on me. So we're going to start with starting the old plow truck. Then we're going to get the Ranger fired up. And then we're going to get it moved a little closer over here to the Galaxy, because we have got to, hey, there's the wood burning stove chimney. We gotta unload all the wood, hook the plow up, because we got 8 to 12 inches of snow coming tomorrow, New Year's Day. And then probably get over there to get some more wood loaded up to get in the house so we can keep warm all weekend, because it is going to be a cold one. We're talking like 5 degrees for the high on Sunday. I don't like that. Damn it. Oh, ha, hey. I'm going to do a cold start on the plow truck. She's probably a 2-pumper. Ooh. Good to go. We're going to crank the heat and let her roast for a minute. Ooh, no, she's not good to go, I guess. She's a little cold-blooded. Not what you want in a plow truck. I'll tell you the backstory on the truck while we wait. I think I bought it in March or April. Oh, I got a blower motor resistor out. We got nothing high. Oh, we'll crank around high. Hopefully you can hear me. I bought the plow truck. The guy was asking $1,500, I think. Went and looked at it. Had a couple rust spots in the frame. Would not stay running. So I offered him $1,000. Went down the next day. Re-cobbled the fuel pump wiring together with what I had with me. Got it to run and stay running. Made it about 10 miles away from the guy's house, and I broke down. I ended up trailering it home. They had tried to jump from the inline fuel pump power to the in-tank fuel pump. Wasn't working. I cut all that out of there, went back to the original, replaced that pump, replaced the inline pump, new filter. She runs great now. It had new tank, new straps. I've done a header gasket, manifold gasket on one side. The other side needs done now too, but it's not horrible yet. It does have a cracked frame. It is half-ass repaired, the best I could do with what I had at the time. Not very well done. I drilled a couple holes and bolted a piece of steel in behind where the crack is. We're just trying to make it work through the winter. Who knows, we may take the motor and driveline out of it for a new project or a different truck at some point. It runs really good, it drives good, everything's good on it. I think it's got 191,000 miles on it. Nothing's real worn, but it's got a lot of rust holes in the frame. It's been a farm truck and been abused most of its life. I think we're getting warmed up now. We'll hop out and throw some jumper cables on her and see if we can't get that old Ranger to start. We got the custom hood pinnage. On both sides, because the latch didn't work when I bought it, and it was ratchet strapped shut to get it home. Oh, hold on. Hey, you guys helped me. Thanks for your help, guys. All right, battery. I'm willing to bet this is dead. Yeah, nothing. Nothing, nothing. Pop the hood on the old Danger Ranger, the golden golf ball. All them little specks of dirt or dents. We got hit with a hailstorm one year, and it shattered my driver's side window in like 8 different spots or 10 different spots or something like that. Okay, jumper cables. I think are in here. Haha. Ah! Almost just died. Almost just died. I personally like to claim to be as sure-footed as a mountain goat, but as of late, I've been slipping all over the place. Black on black, red on red. Ugh. Feed her the onions. Yeah. Power. Ugh. Oh. She wants to. We're gonna give her a minute. Oh, come on, baby. Let her eat more. You know, I gotta put my gloves on, guys. It's a little bit cold out here to be running around with no hand covers. All right. More onions. Now will it start? What do you guys think? Put your answers in the comments. Do you have faith? She has 318,255 miles. There's a cat. There's Shermie. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Negative, almost. I think we'll get her to start. There's Shermie. Wait. No. That's Shermie. This is Kyle. There's Merlin. He's cool. He's all white-ish. There's Merlin. Say Happy New Year. And then we got Vinny. He got some monstrous eye boogers. And there's Booties, Mr. Boots. He's got all 4 white paws. I have a whole herd. I think they're hungry. And there's, hold on. Oh, look at them fighting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them there, which means there's still 3 of, oh, there's Kyle. Or wait, that might be Leo, that might be Kyle. That's Kyle. That's Leo. Merlin, Shermie, Boots, nope, Vinny. There's Boots hiding under there. Okay, back to the task at hand. Can't play with cats all day long. Oh, it's right there. She's right there. Are we ready? She's gonna start. I can feel it in my bones. It's alive! And out of gas, of course. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. 318,000 miles. A little slow cranking, but we got her started. Now we're gonna hook the plow up, get ready for that big snowstorm coming this weekend. there we go. Oh, it's starting to rain on us. But that's how we hook the plow up. We just have hydraulic line from there over to there, and then one from there up to here. I just loop them when I unhook it and then hook them back up when I do it. The chain, 2 pins. We only have up and down, we don't have left and right. Maybe we'll mess with that later on. If not, I just need to push straight anyways, so I'm not too worried about it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good new year. Remember, like, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Give me a comment. Let me know what you want to see in the new year. What do you like seeing more of? Me freezing my ass off outside with the cats? Or doing house projects? Or we got different stuff we could do. Let me know.